Welcome to our tutorial on how to find archived groups on WhatsApp Web using your PC. Follow these steps to easily locate and access your archived group chats. To begin, open web.whatsapp.com on your PC. Access WhatsApp Web through your web browser to manage your group chats, including archived group conversations. At the top of the chat section, click on Archived Chats. This option is located above your regular chat list and allows you to access all the groups that you have previously archived. Scroll through the archived groups to find the specific group you are looking for. You can use the search bar or manually browse through the archived groups to locate the one you want to retrieve. Once you have found the archived group you want to unarchive, simply click on it to open and view the group chat. You can then choose to unarchive the group to move it back to your main chat list for easy access. By following these simple steps, you can easily find and access your archived groups on WhatsApp Web using your PC, ensuring that you can retrieve important group conversations whenever needed. Thank you for watching our tutorial. Enjoy rediscovering your archived groups on WhatsApp Web and stay organized with easy access to your past group chats. Happy group chatting!